The Cyrill leather brick designed case for iPhone 12 and 12 Pro. It's an excellent design case, and one thing that I was missing when they launched the new iPhones was I noticed that there was no new leather case. They always had a leather case for the new iPhones. They never had one for the iPhone 12s. So this is the Cyrill case, and it's the closest thing I could find to it. So if we actually look at the inside, very nice padded material on the inside, so it protects your phone on the inside. It's a nice thick piece just around the bezel, so we know it's got great protection. And on the back, we've got this kind of imitation leather. They do come in several different colors, so make sure you check below all the different color options if you want. Let's go ahead and put my blue iPhone 12 right into here. We'll just close that right there. There we go. So it's nicely in there, fits very nice. And you can see how it's got that extended lip just around the cameras. So when you do place it on the ground, you don't have to worry about placing anything on your cameras itself. But I just really like the feel of this case. It's a nice grippy material on there. It's nice and soft. And I just love the imitation leather to it, because that's really what I was missing when it came to the new iPhones when they launched. But there we go. We'll look at the side. You can see it's got the nice grippy material on the side. Buttons, very light and easy to press. Same with these ones right down here. It's 360 protection, so it protects all around your phone, not a problem. But again, just an excellent all-around case. It's maybe slightly thicker than some other cases, but that's because of the padding and stuff that it offers. But again, great case overall, just excellent. Make sure you guys check out the Cyrill leather case. All the color options and current pricing will be down below. Make sure you guys check that out.